Hi, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'll show you how you can clip an image collection, okay? In the previous lectures, we've seen how you can clip an image or a single image. In this case, or in this lecture, I'll show you how you can clip an image collection. That means a collection of image within an image collection, all right? So let's get started. So the first thing is, as always, importing a few packages including Folium, GHydro, and EarthEngine. I'll run all of this importing library functions. In my case, I've already installed EarthEngine and authenticated and initialized. If you have not done so, then this will take that will take care of it for you. It's already written in a way that it will smartly understand or just detects EarthEngine in your system. If it's existing, it will skip it. If it's not, it will install, authenticate, and initialize. Okay. And as always, to help us, visualize our map result, we'll import a Folium pack library here and create a map canvas. I'll execute that. So the most important part of our lecture script is this bunch of scripts. So what we're doing here is first importing a shapefile or a state boundary here as an example. So the first part of the script is importing a feature collection or a state boundary for the United States or USA, and then among that I'll choose one state, in this example South Dakota or SD. So we'll use this to clip our image collection, okay? And the next thing is to import or access our image collection. I'll declare a variable collection here. I will import image collection by declaring ee.image collection, and I need to import Landsat 7 data from the EarthEngine data archive. And that's a global data and a long time series, so you need to filter it by somehow space and time. In this case, I'll filter or I'll use data for 2000 from June to October, right? As you can see here in the start time and end time here. And also, in addition to temporal filter, I'll also use the filter bounds, which technically it's not actually clipping, but it's kind of limiting the number of images that I can access in that image collection, okay? So filter bounds SD, that means I'll access image overlaying or scenes overlaying South Dakota. And because there's a lot of image every 16 days in this for about 4 months of time, then I need to generate some sort of aggregated statistics, in this case median. So I'll use this image collection and generate a median statistics so that I'll have one single image. So for every pixel in this time period, you will calculate the median value for every pixel, okay? And now I have one single image, summarized by study region, filter bound, as well as temporally filtered. Now the last thing we need to do is just clipping an image collection. So to clip an image collection or an image technically, so this image collection is aggregated into a single image, and then what you do is do clip to collection. That will clip all the image, all the images that are that are in this image collection. Okay, I'll use SD for example here. So after that, I will display the image here. Before I do that, so this image collection has various bands for Landsat 7. So I need to select only a few bands so that I can use those bands to visualize or to create some sort of visualization. Okay, so I'll select band 4, 3, and 2 to generate some sort of color composite, and I'll declare map.addLayer to display my image collection, which is already clipped by SD South Dakota. And then I'll call this image already here, which contains only band 4, 3, and 2, and I'll display that. Let me execute that first, and after that I'll display my map. As you can see here, this is just the background. Now my Landsat 7 image composite for the past 4 months period, and clipped by a state boundary here, in this case South Dakota. You can see we used the South Dakota state boundary to clip our Landsat image collection. So that's what we have now, right? So you can zoom in. So this is a false color composite that we used to generate this image composite. Okay, so you can zoom in and zoom out to explore different parts of the state or the image. This is some cloud contamination. We have not cleared cloud contamination. For that matter, we'll do that in the upcoming lectures. This is a false color composite, which uses the near infrared and visible bands to create some sort of image composite or color composite. So this is how you can use a boundary or a feature collection to clip an image collection using the Earth Engine Python API.